Welcome to Kung Fu class. Lesson 1, Introduction to Kung Fu. My name is Helen Wu. Part 1, Chinese Kung Fu, Traditional Teaching System. History lineage about my family.
One evening, our cameraman paid a visit to the home of 81-year-old Wang Ziping on South Huangbo Road, Shanghai. Venerable old Wang Ziping is a famous doctor, highly reputed for his skillful treatment of injuries. His daughter, Wang Zhurong, and her husband, Wu Zhende, both are teachers. Though pursuing different occupations, all the members of this big family have a common hobby. On holidays, they all practice wushu, a traditional Chinese form of calisthenics. This is a typical holiday for the family.
Part 2, Knowledge of Kung Fu Techniques. Fundamental exercise, such as stretch for legs, stretch for splits, you will learn stretch techniques such as side stretch, front stretch, and hold leg, and shoulder stretch. Also, you will learn kicking techniques, front kicking, slap kicking, punch and kicking. Also, you will learn practical fighting applications, blocking and kicking, punch and kicking. Part 3, Knowledge of Kung Fu Weapons. Heavy weapon, moon shovel. Double weapons. This is a double hook, double sword, and a double fan. Single weapon, single straight sword, single fan. This is group Kung Fu fan performance. Part 4, self-defense techniques. 2-person exercise. Punch and block. Part 4, self-defense techniques. 2-person fan exercise. This is a Kung Fu fan for practice self-defense. This is our kinesiology students. Try practice 2-person fan exercise. Homework for this week. Read handout. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to training with you.